Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to delete apps on a Mac. Let us start with the easiest method using Launchpad. Open Launchpad from the dock or by pressing the F4 key. You will see all your apps. Find the app you want to remove and press and hold its icon. When the icons begin to wiggle, look for an X in the corner. If you see the X, click it. A message will appear asking you to confirm. Click Delete, and the app will be removed. You may notice that some apps do not show the X icon. These apps cannot be deleted through Launchpad, but they can be removed through System Settings. To do this, open the Apple menu and select System Settings. Go to the General tab, then click Storage. Your Mac will scan your storage and show a list of installed apps. Find the app you want to remove and click the Delete button next to it. Confirm the action when asked. The app will be uninstalled from your Mac. Both of these methods are safe and effective. If you are unsure which method to use, start with Launchpad. If the app does not show the delete option, use System Settings. Now you know how to delete any app from your Mac. Thanks for watching.